Dr. Wynn here. We're with our patient 5 days out from her breast lift, no implants. This is the Better Breast Lift. Let's look at the scarring, okay? In 5 days, look how well the scars have already healed. I'm going to zoom in to show you the vertical scar, which everyone worries about. And you can see that all the scars are already healing well, fading and blending in with the surrounding skin. But note the size, shape, and symmetry of the breast looks great. There is some swelling, but overall, the breasts look perky. They have great upper pole fullness, great medial fullness, and you can tell that this really mimics the look of an implant. There are no implants here. This is the patient's own natural tissue. 5 days out from surgery, I'm so pleased for our patient, and I thank her for allowing me to show this progress to help our patients understand the healing process for this breast lift, no implant. Thank you.